Hello, I'm Pete Dryden and I'm going to show you a baked sweet potato fries recipe. Things you will need: a sweet potato, cooking spray, salt, a baking sheet, an oven, a potato peeler, a knife, and a cutting board. The first step is to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Next, spray the baking sheet evenly with cooking spray. Now take your sweet potato and peel the skin off with a potato peeler. Once it's peeled, rinse the potato under cold water and place it on a cutting board. Take your knife and slice the potato lengthwise into 1-inch thick strips. Place the slices in a single layer onto your baking sheet. Sprinkle desired amount of salt evenly over the slices along with any other seasonings you prefer. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for around 15 minutes. Now turn the slices over and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until fries are golden brown. Remove from the oven and let cool for 2 to 3 minutes before serving. And that is a baked sweet potato fries recipe.